Now that it's warmer, Marty and Stripe are going out and they're wanting to stay out more. Hey, Mart. Whoops, there you are. And there's my chicken. Not my chicken. Hi, Morris. Come here, bud. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. You know, this one hadn't been causing me too much trouble, but he brought his buddy with him yesterday. And see this mess here with all the leaves and stuff? That's from the chickens. I'm not amused. The kitties and I have been all over the yard. And I filled water, filled feeders, changed batteries, threw sweet gumballs into the creek. Gave kitties attention and refilled the dry chow in the house for the kitties. And now I'm ready to move on to the front porch and inside the house chores. Hey guys. Hi, am I allowed to pet you? Marty thinks every time I come near him I want to drag him in the house, which has been, you know, kind of true. And as long as you're here by the back door and you're look like you're doing okay, and it's warm, you're good. And I'm not leaving you out here at 35 degrees. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They really are cute. Hi. So they say we might hit a record high on Friday. I'm good with that. We've got a little rain in the mix through the weekend, but not like last weekend, not an all-day washout. I'm a little surprised we're as cloudy as we are today, but it's still quite pleasant with the warmth. And yesterday there were 4 or 5 times the bluebird stuck his head in this box, and it was him and not her. Apparently they do that a bunch of days before they determine safety and will start building. So I am still hopeful they are going to build. And we're hearing the hawk all the time now in the yard. I really think, I know you can't see it, but it's basically straight out and high is the hawk's nest. And I really think they're out there with an egg. There's Peaceful Morris and Marty and Stripey. Dawn got Ruby out for me. So I'm headed to, I believe I said, but if I didn't, the dermatologist for my yearly check. It's in Cary. I'm making sure I don't have anything on my shoes before I get in. Ruby, since I vacuumed when I got home yesterday. Yeah, I'm headed to the dermatologist in Cary. Navigate to Cary Dermatology. Sorry, that was the dash cam letting me know it's alive. I'm just checking to make sure this is the right place. Yep, Southwest Cary Parkway. That looks good. That looks good. It says 19 miles and 31 minutes. I've got 45 minutes until my appointment. I don't know where the last 5 minutes went because I swore I was leaving out of here at 12:10, but that's okay. I had really had planned early. I mean, a lot of buffer today because I do have to park, walk into the building, take an elevator. It's, you know, it takes a minute. It takes a minute. I just heard the train. Huh. Well, she wants me to go toward the train track. "34 minutes. If I went the back roads, it says it'll add 3 minutes onto my route. Well, I'm going to highly doubt that this train is going to be long enough across the road up here that it's going to matter. So I'm going to follow, and I am driving. I'm going to follow directions. I mean, I'm not going to change the route. I'm going to go the way I would have probably gone anyway, and the way the car is. I finished yesterday's video. I played around with Grok Imagine a bit. I'll put that clip. Well, it's already up on X, and I'll put it in today's video. Well, there was a train, and it just finished going across the road. You know, we have that R.J. Corman in town now, with a lot of extra train stuff going on, but most of the trains are pretty small. And when the road closes, it's not closed for long. I can't remember the last time I saw a train come through here during the middle of the day, though, I have to say, or heard it during the middle of the day. I hear it once or twice, either in the evening or in the early morning hours, but I haven't experienced it at 12:15 on a weekday before. It may be happening, but I just haven't really heard it. So I saw the first cyber cab is reported to have come off the production line in Austin. That's pretty exciting. I guess, you know, it seems like Tesla probably confirmed that individual people will be able to buy the cyber cab. And then, you know, in air quotes, be able to make money off of it themselves. That would be cool, I guess, for those interested in doing that, especially if it's really cheap. I don't know. You know, it's supposed to be made to be durable, easily repaired, easily cleaned, all of this good stuff. So I hope it's gonna, I'm sure it will need to be finessed, enhanced, modified. But it sounds like it has a lot of potential. Well, this truck was just going way slower than one would have expected. I've got 12 minutes, so all's good. It's the first door here, about a third of the way down the building, so all good. Yeah, it looks like it could rain today. I don't think it's supposed to rain today, though. This is the third Wednesday in a row with an appointment. Last Wednesday was a doctor. This Wednesday's a doctor. I have one more yearly doctor's appointment in March. Forget what the appointment was 2 weeks ago. But anyway, I'm getting tired of Wednesday appointments is what I'm trying to tell you. Although it is my preferred appointment day. Well, everything was all good. I didn't have to have anything frozen. Just come back in a year for another check. You might remember a few years ago I had to go get a mole removed from between a couple of toes on my left foot. Not this time. Yay. It's a lot of work on her. My hair's been down and I haven't really fixed it good, but it's a lot of work on her because she has to make about 50 parts in my hair to look at my entire scalp to make sure everything is good up there. She did ask me what was my sunscreen habit, and I'm like, I never wear it unless I go to the beach for a day. I said, you know, I tend to wear a hat, wear clothing to protect myself, not go out at noon, work in the yard in the shade, anything to avoid putting on sunscreen. She didn't fuss at me too bad. She just asked. And, you know, I take precautions, but not putting chemicals on my body. So I suppose, you know, if I was really, I might would put something on my face, my cheeks and my nose if I, besides the beach, if I was really going to, you know, knew I was going to be like a whole day standing at a Tesla event outside in the sun, I might would put something on. But other than that, nah. Anyway, I'm relieved. I am going to stop at Home Depot in Fuquay on the way home and pick up another couple bags of dirt at that good price. I am going to navigate home, but I'm going to go the back way. I'm not getting back out on US 1, so nope, don't want to go that route. Don't want to go this route. Don't want to go through New Hill. Want to go down Kildare Farm Road. So I thought I said I want to go down Kildare Farm Road. There we go. Come into Fuquay near the Walmart. Yeah, there we go. And I suppose, well, if I had Grok, I would tell Grok to add Home Depot, but I don't have Grok in Ruby. I don't know what it does if you, I'm looking for the Fuquay Marina one. All right, looks good. Well, the garden center is closed again today, unfortunately. The guy in the pickup truck was just doing very weird things. You just have to take my word for it. Get it all unloaded for me?
Unload my girl's dirt.
Thank you.
I got some dirt on her.
Oh no, what did I do this time? Okay. Everybody knows the dirt on me. I like Legos and plants.
Yeah, Legos and yes. Now she's got 4 bags of dirt.
Yeah, that's a good start for the season.
Yeah. Okay, you're good to go.
All right, it's 4:15, but we're here. We're gonna go in and work out. I've got about an hour. I'm going to work on my project for a bit. I made some good additional progress over here, adding in the kitchen. And I'm up to step 161 now. Aren't I, nighttime? She's not happy about this build because there's all this stuff over here and she can't lay by me, which is not on purpose. I just have to have some place to put it. Sorry, baby girl.